The sun is dying.
Project Hail Mary was the opportunity to make the most epic theatrical experience.
If we do nothing, everything on this planet will go extinct, including us.
The idea that you go to another star, make friends with an alien to save the world is just too fun to pass up.
Project Hail Mary has all the spectacle, but also it's full of so much warmth and so much humanity.
I'm Grace. I'm gonna call you Rocky. The story shows all of us that miracles are possible.
It is time go.
Think you mean go time, pal. Friendship is the heart of the movie.
If Grace, Rocky save stars, we can go home.
This film is so immersive. Literally, you feel like it's all around you.
When you experience it in theaters, you feel like you're on the Hail Mary.
I understand that you think I'm the right person for this mission. I understand the stakes.
Object approaching.
If we do nothing, everything on this planet will go extinct, including us. Dr. Grace, the world is counting on you.
No, I'm sorry.
I'm Grace. I'm gonna call you Rocky. We're here for the same reason. His son is dying too. If we're gonna save our planet, we have to learn how to communicate. Check this out. We have about 250 words. Let's find you a voice.
Why is a school teacher in space?
Nope.
Why is a school teacher in space?
Try this.
I am Rocky.
I like.
So I have a new roommate now.
Hi, Grace.
Together, we're pretty smart, but no one's ever done this before.
It is time go.
I think you mean go time, pal.
There are infinite possibilities for this to go wrong.
This ship wasn't built for this.
If Grace, Rocky save stars, we can go home.
I think this is a one-way trip for me.
I will not let Grace die.
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. Joblo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.